After coming from the event, I was like, unfollow.
सेट की अगर पसंद ना आए तो वापस कर दे.
हाँ तो हमने से बोला हमें पसंद नहीं आया.
और वापस ले लो.
Oh, you have a girlfriend?
Meow 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 meow.
So there was a time where I was like, yeah, let's just drop this. YouTube events exposed. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This is season
2, our first episode of season 2 on our channel. Welcome back, guys. I know you missed us and we missed you too.
Yes. We are on the road, and this is how we've planned our this season, or at least a few episodes are gonna be like, because we realized that we stay a lot on the road. A lot of our
Yeah.
conversations happen on the road.
Yep, so we thought about why not record these candid conversations and even save our times during the commute by uploading them on YouTube. So basically multitasking and better utilization of our time.
Yeah, right now we're on our way to CP. We are supposed to meet someone from our team.
Yeah.
If you guys have been living under a rock and you guys don't know, my fit check is from my favorite brand. It's called Dreamcatchers.
Yeah, it's my
How
favorite.
cool is that brand, right?
Yeah,
Like I
I mean-
want to be that brand.
But I don't know why all of the products go out of stock immediately after their sale goes on. I can never buy them for my girlfriend.
Oh, you have a girlfriend? You never told me about her, but okay. So right. So I think in this episode we should like have like a life update session and chat about what's going on in our lives. Of course, talk about the business, then talk about the final year, then talk about something that happened today. Coldplay. And
Yeah.
Where should we start from?
I think we should start from why were we not posting on our podcast channel that is apparently dead for the past 3 to 4 months.
Yeah.
So Advika, what was the issue?
I don't think there was any issue. We were just kind of preoccupied with a lot of stuff. We had our exams back to back, med school. Other than that, we had then this business thing going on. We were
Yeah, that's
traveling a
true.
lot because like we had vacations. So I was with my family. Akshay was with his.
Finding time between 2 YouTube channels, a podcast channel, and our brand with our studies
Yeah.
gets a little bit complicated sometimes. But yeah, we are managing it. We are trying our best.
Yeah, that's why like why are we like no one has stopped? Why have we stopped?
Because it's a red
That's
light.
Right. It's a
No.
red light. Sometimes in Delhi, people don't even follow red light. वो निकल जाते हैं जैसे कि अभी देखा हमने. Yeah, so that's the reason why we were not uploading. But अब तो हम hopefully consistent रहेंगे. तो comment section में consistent word डाल देना so that
Yeah.
every time you comment, we get reminded that consistent होना है. Anyways, I think we should talk about the business because we did actually start it together in our final year of college. So should we talk about final year of college first year for business?
I mean, there is not much to talk about final year of
There
college.
is
I
a
think it will
lot.
get done in 5 to 10
There
minutes.
is a lot. So let's talk about that first.
Okay, as you say.
So this is our final year of medical college. Abhi tak we've been here for 4 years. This is our 4th year, and after this we have 1 year of internship. So this
That's
is
true.
basically our final degree. Iske baad, as soon as we graduate, we get to add doctor to our names, which is one of the things that I've been waiting for. One of my motivation to get to become a doctor was actually कि मेरे नाम के आगे कभी Mrs. नहीं लगेगा. मेरे नाम के आगे लगेगा doctor.
Dr. Mrs.
नहीं, just doctor. But yeah, how do you feel about that? Are you excited to add doctor to your name?
I mean,
I think it's something to be proud of.
yeah, it has some perks.
Perks, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, people give you respect if you have a doctor in front of you,
Yeah,
right?
right.
But you really have to work your ass off for it to get that. Even if it's a PhD doctor or a medical doctor,
Yeah.
to
Or
get a doctor in
dentist,
front of your
anyone.
name, it's not that easy.
Right.
Why is a crane having coffee from Big Book?
They're like, भाई हम नहीं कर सकते क्या chill. Anyways, right.
We have
तो-
an ambulance behind us, guys. 1 second.
So in final year of college, we do have how many subjects? We have medicine, peds, gynae, मतलब obs gynae, surgery, derma, ortho, radio, psychiatry. Am I missing anything out? I don't think so. But yeah, about 8 to 9 subjects. इसमें से मुझे पता है like सुन के ही like first year से I was like 9 subjects in 1 year. I don't want to be in final year. और इस साल we have to give our 100% to every subject. We can't be like ये तो final year का subject है, final year में देखेंगे. अब वो हम बोल नहीं सकते. So that's why I think
I mean, you can still say it. Supply में देखेंगे, but yeah.
I don't want to say that. But yeah, that's why what I'm trying to say is कि final year feels final year. Like this year definitely feels more
It's the-
serious.
it's
I
the
definitely
end game,
feel,
you know?
Yeah, it's the end
End
game.
game.
So there is more seriousness in us, more
there will be,
prioritizing
like-
our academics. minutes.
No more theory papers after that.
Yeah.
So you're done and dusted with the papers. I think.
No, I
That's a
think
good
even
thing.
in PG there are theory papers, no?
NEET PG is a MCQ exam,
No,
right?
no, I mean in PG. If someone is in PG, तो भी तो PG1 फिर PG2 जाने के लिए I think कोई exam देना होता होगा. I am not sure.
I'm not sure as well. I think my experience with final year is that we have a lot of postings.
Yeah.
In the past 3 years or the past 2 years, postings weren't that serious, but now we have to reach exactly at 9:15,
Yeah.
and we get free at 12. So the postings are really
And they
long,
do
and
expect us to
to
have
know,
the
yeah.
answers. Yeah.
have the answers and hands-on experience for the things that are required in internship at least. So I mean, it's good, but it's hard.
So
but
we can't
still,
wait to be it over.
I mean, but we still find some time in the lecture theaters to do some brand work or some YouTube work
Yeah.
between the lectures. So I mean, we manage our time.
Let's talk about the brand now, as you said.
Yeah. So Advika Singh, what was the vision behind Dreamcatchers?
Okay, so it was a very random conversation between Akshaj and I, like I think a couple of years ago, that why don't we start a business? But then it always felt कि अभी not in college, अभी नहीं, and also कि क्या, what should we sell? Like that was always a conversation that we used to have. But we never like came to a common senses कि हाँ ये बनाते हैं.
Yeah.
Then,
So I just agreed to what she said. We did not get into a common sense.
that was never the case. So actually one of our very close relatives once went to Australia, and then she got me a night suit. Before that I always wanted a night suit, but I was not ready to invest in it because I was like, yeah, night suit, it looks fancy, but like I would just sleep in my normal pajamas. मतलब जो दिन में पहना है वही रात में पहन के I was fine with it.
Yeah, but I was wondering about this. Ki we voluntarily spend around 8 to 10,000 on the clothes that we wear during the day, right? Around 8 to 10 hours. But what about the rest of the 12 hours that we sleep in? Shouldn't we invest more in the clothes?
If someone is sleeping for 12 hours, then I'm actually concerned.
I mean, I sleep for at least 10 hours every day. But why don't you spend more on the clothes
Comfort
at night, where you're spending more time than the daytime?
And actually,
So-
night suit is not just for the night. What I realized is that when I wore that PJ set that she gifted me, my mindset for like my routines changed. Like I was like, bro, night routine होना चाहिए अगर मैंने ये पहना है, bro, morning routine होना चाहिए. Like your mindset changes. Because for example, if you're going to a school और कोई uniform है, तो as soon as you get into the uniform, you get like a click in your mind कि अब I need to be disciplined. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना है, school जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. The same way happens when you have like a dress for your sleep या फिर even for your morning routines and stuff. So that was really cool. And then we found like Pinterest पे how cute pajamas are, and we were like, हाँ H&M ये कर रहा है, but they're not giving us like printed stuff.
I mean, it does not even give for value for money. What they charge
Yeah.
is for fast fashion, and I mean, the fabric is shit, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's so bad. You wash it twice, the threads come loose, and I know I just hate H&M and Zara night
You
suits.
know what? Okay, so this is like beach mein वैसे I wanted to add this later,
हाँ.
but I always used to love H&M. मतलब Zara तो चलो मैं दिल्ली में आके मैंने shopping की है. Zara इंदौर में तो कभी था भी नहीं. Zara, I used to look up to Zara, but H&M is something I was like always excited कि ooh H&M. And after launching this nightwear brand, once when we went to H&M to see वहाँ का night suit to compare like our next launch and stuff, तो when I saw it तब मुझे feel हुआ यार ये तो actually गलत है. ये कैसा fabric है, ये कैसी stitching है,
The fabric
इसके
that they get
threads,
is
fitting also.
the cheapest fabric that you can find.
Also that, and I feel कि people don't understand that H&M मतलब they make about I don't even know how many pieces, like probably lakhs of pieces in a day. So obviously उनके पास तो जो margin है, like मैं तो देख के सोचती हूँ वाओ यार बढ़िया है, सस्ता भी बेच रहे हैं, प्राइस भी कम लग रही है, प्रॉफिट भी ज्यादा है, and still are getting love than small businesses. But yeah, I think after starting a small business, how has your mind
I mean,
changed?
first of all, I do not call it a small business.
Okay.
I just call it a big business because we are going to grow big eventually.
Right, I agree.
So what was the question?
I was like, after starting a business,
Yeah.
how has your vision for other businesses changed? Like, what different, like, do you act differently now? Like, I have seen a lot of things happening different with me, so
Yeah,
I want
I'll
to
tell
know
you.
about you.
I'll tell you with an analogy. It's like if you are a music creator,
Hmm.
when you listen to a song, you listen to it from your perspective, like what layers are there in the music, what's the key, what's the time signature, stuff like that. Similarly, if you are a YouTuber or a filmmaker, when you see a film, you see it like how is it directed, what are the edits, how are the cuts.
Yeah.
And now when you're a business owner, when you see other businesses, you see कि इन्होंने क्या marketing strategy करी है, या फिर उनका EBITDA क्या है, उनके क्या costs है, and how are they delivering, वो कैसे marketing कर रहे हैं, उनकी WhatsApp marketing कैसी है.
That too,
So,
and I think you
yeah,
just
that things change.
you feel respect for them because I am like I see जब मैं small businesses या any business देखती थी जो कि
Okay.
big business नहीं था,
हाँ
I used to think ये महंगा बेच रहे हैं. Like even for H&M, I know there's this company, I won't take their name, जो कि oversized t-shirts बेच रहे थे और वो H&M से थोड़ी ज्यादा महंगी बेच रहे थे. I was like कोई इनसे क्यों लेगा, मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रहा है. कुछ जब H&M पे मिल रही है oversized t-shirts भी. But now I see the difference and now I feel respect. Even now, like if any of my friends starts their small business या any business, I would be like, bro, I want to be your customer. Like don't send me stuff for free.
yeah, I'll pay for them.
Yeah, I'll pay for it. So that has been
Also,
a
I think
difference.
with our businesses, the packaging is also an experience that
Right.
that you don't get with fast fashion.
Right.
Personalized packaging,
The
and the thought
feeling.
behind it, the sustainability, the eco-friendliness, all of these
Right.
things.
Actually, you know, I was getting a lot of hate on my channel for this price point and all, and I replied to one person like, you know, ki, yeah, but then like we are trying to give you our own love and our own thought and every detail. Like I can talk about all the designs and like not stop because I have like as an overthinker at least मेरे पास हर डिजाइन के लिए 10 बार मैंने सोचा था कि ओ ये नहीं ये नहीं. तो like I have a whole explanation about it. So I was like trying to be like but yeah, our designs are like, you know, very thoughtful and with love and this and that and like we really care about our customers and all. And then उस मैंने ये comment देखा, मुझे लगा भाई अब बंदे समझेगा कि हाँ बढ़िया, वाह क्या बात है. But then there was a thread of all hate comments like, oh, so you're charging us for your love, you're charging us for your love. Like I am not charging you for your love, but that is definitely an additional perk. But yeah.
What, Advika, would you let the people know? What do you have in line for them in the next drop that is going to be coming soon in the next 2 weeks?
Right, so we have classic PJ sets coming up. This is like for any age group, any like if you can gift this to your mother, to your sister, to your neighbor next door.
So evergreen design and evergreen fitting for
Yeah.
every person. You know, it's not someone for a Gen Z or millennials or Gen X or Gen Alpha.
Yeah, and we're also bringing up like some unique colors, some colors that have been trending a lot and I feel are like perfect for the season that's coming. So we have some unique colors coming up as well. Can't wait. Okay, so we were talking about the journey of our brand. So I think we started in Jan this year.
I think the first 3 months we just searched for the fabric with some of our friends, went to a lot of places and did the pros and cons of different type of fabrics and felt them. You know, one thing that has really changed after being a clothing brand owner, whenever I go to any clothing shop, the first thing I do is this, and then we're like, we judge them and then we read what are the compositions of the fabric, and they were like okay. But yeah, so I think the first 3 months was spent in finding the perfect fabric. And
yeah, so the first 3 months we spent on finding the perfect fabric, and then fabric milne ke baad we thought this is our fabric, but then we went to Victoria's Secret and we saw in ये क्या ऐसा fabric बेच रहे हैं जो कि बाकी ऐसा मतलब इतना expensive है. We saw the fabric and वो fabric का नाम हमने कभी भी नहीं सुना था. It was called modal. So then we were like चलो modal ढूंढते हैं. So then we again went on a fabric hunt. Then we finally found modal और हमने fabric like samples लिए थे and then we started with print. अब printing कराने के बाद printing also took a lot of time.
Apparently in modal also there are a lot of types of modals that you get. There is modal elastane, modal satin, modal cotton and modal viscose.
So after that we started with printing. We got our clothes designed.
Yeah, and I think in printing also there were a lot of options available. We could have a DTF print. A DTF print is direct to fabric print.
That a lot of people use in their sweatshirts.
But you know that is the cheapest one. Yeah, and it really peels off within 1 to 2 washes.
Yeah, after some time like you can see कि print ही निकल रहा है. And obviously हम अपने night suit पे तो वो कर भी नहीं सकते थे. That was a very weird option.
Yeah, then there was a rotary print or a digital print.
तो हमने डिजिटल प्रिंट लिया and then we started with the sampling में भी जो कलर्स हमें चाहिए थे वो apparently आ नहीं रहे थे. So then we went to another printer, उसके साथ भी same issue आ रहा था. So then we worked with our designers and we were like ये चीज़ नहीं. So then after finalizing the prints we were ready to place our order with the fabric guy. So then we went to the fabric guy and he told us, oh ये जो fabric हमने आपको दिया जो आपने इतने टाइम से फाइनल करा है ये fabric तो इतना ही था. अब आपको ज्यादा फैब्रिक चाहिए तो हर लॉट में वेरिएशन होगी. एंड देन द फैब्रिक दैट ही गेव टू अस वाज सो रफ, मतलब मुझे बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा था कि ये मोडाल है. इट वाज so obvious that it is not the same fabric. And then he was like, आप पूरा market घूम लो, fabric नहीं मिलेगा, यही fabric है जो हमारे पास है. फिर हमने क्या करा?
Surprisingly, then we did the massive market research. हमने market घूमा and we found the supplier of that guy.
Yeah, so then we actually, उसने बोला पूरा market घूम लो, तो हमने actually पूरा market घूमा. और उसके बाद हमें एक fabric पसंद आया, ठीक है, जो सही cost पे भी दे रहा था, तो हमने वो fabric लिया. अब वो fabric जब हम अपने printer के पास लेके गए, तो हमारे printer ने बोला ये तो fabric modal है ही नहीं.
आपका तो काट दिया उसने.
We are like, ये modal नहीं है. They are like, no, this is not modal.
This is rayon.
This is rayon. So then we were like, ये हो क्या रहा है? Then we were like कि अच्छा ठीक है, हमने फिर वो रिटर्न करा कैसे तैसे करके. वैसे यूजुअली रिटर्न नहीं होता है.
Because all of us remember it.
Then हम फिर से एक जगह गए जहाँ पे हमें फैब्रिक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव मिल रहा था. But then we were like maybe एक्सपेंसिव मिल रहा है इसलिए ये रियल है. So then we got that fabric because we wanted to start the manufacturing ASAP. Printing everything was finalized.
Yeah.
हमने बहुत मैन्युफैक्चरर्स भी ढूंढे थे और एक कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव जो बजट में आ रहा है मैन्युफैक्चरर
I think it was just cost effective. Really nothing else.
With the manufacturer guy, we have cried our eyes out. मतलब पहले तो प्रिंटिंग की बात करते हैं. आई थिंक हमारे पूरे प्रोसेस में सिर्फ प्रिंटिंग सही हुई थी.
Yeah.
सिर्फ प्रिंटिंग, पीपल वर नाइस, ऑन टाइम, वेरी कोऑपरेटिव और सब बढ़िया हो गया था. उसके बाद हमने जब मैन्युफैक्चरर को दिया कपड़ा, राइट, उसने बोला ये तो 15 दिन में हम आपको बना के दे देंगे. वो 15 दिन कब पूरा एक महीना, एक महीने से 2 महीना हो गया. We never realized.
Literally half the days we were standing there on top of him getting the work done, doing half of the work ourselves, even though we are paying for him to do the work.
That's the worst thing that happened is that
Our time.
Yeah, our time. Like what he expected was कि if we are not standing next to him, he won't work. So we literally every day after our classes had to go to the manufacturer guy and stand there and tell him to do the work, and only then he would do the work. So that was really really frustrating. At the end, हमने ही packaging करी है. We only checked for the finishing, even though like at last he did provide us with some help, but obviously we couldn't see all of them. So इसलिए we did get some help, but we did everything, almost everything on our own. बस सिलाई हमने नहीं मारी है. Other than that, we did almost everything. I remember photo shoot के time also I was crying because the guy said he'll provide us the pieces. We had models and
The photo shoot was such a blunder, you know.
Oh my god.
We told all the models to come for the photo shoot at about 2. The photo guy also, the photographer also came at 2. Then I was there waiting for the samples at 2. He said कि अभी तो samples बन रहे हैं, अभी 3 से 4 घंटे और लगेंगे.
Exactly.
So then all of us started, you know, really it was a very bad day. We fought
I
with the
started
manufacturer.
panicking. पूरा mood ही off हो गया था
We
कि
did
अब क्या
some
होगा.
finishing and quality check ourselves, cut the loose threads.
Yeah.
And somehow we took half of the samples and went for the photo shoot because we had an Airbnb booked, and that also, you know, it was not free. Everything was paid, so there was a lot of time and money invested already in this. So we couldn't even shift the date. Somehow we got it done. And you know, we got free at around 2 a.m. in the night after the photo shoot, and then we went home,
Right.
dropped everyone back.
That was definitely an experience, but I think we did learn a lot. Is part on our next drop, whatever we've learned, whatever, every review, every feedback, everything that we personally also faced, we tried our best for it not to repeat.
Much better, harder, faster, and stronger this time.
So we can't wait for our next launch, honestly. Like, I'm so excited. I'm trying not to show that PJ set a lot, but recently I've been sleeping in that only every night.
And you are already in love with the fabric.
Yeah, I feel like our strongest point has always been our fabric. Everyone
And our prints,
compliments,
obviously.
Yeah, our fabric.
And our prints.
Prints are not going to be this time there, but you guys have to wait because we have already lined up with the prints that are coming very soon.
The sampling of them have already started.
This one has full PJ sets, so all the girlies and all the places जहाँ पे winter पूरी ठंड से आ गई है, you guys should be ready. We have a fabric that will keep you warm in the winters as well.
And I think also we have a new accessory launching this time.
Yeah, guess that in the
Guess that.
comments.
So what else? What else do we have to update the guys about, or
You
the
know,
girls
I
about?
want to end this brand thing with one thing.
Yeah.
So there was a time where I was like, yeah, let's just drop this. Because it was taking a lot of our time also, and I felt ki it's just मतलब even though I was enjoying it for sure, but I just felt that maybe this is not the right time, or maybe this is not the right thing to do right now. Call it like a sign of God or whatever. But I was recommended with this reel, which was I think Steve Jobs say.
You were not recommended. I sent you that reel.
I was recommended with that reel, and then Akshat also sent it to me,
Okay,
obviously. But basically, what he was saying is that the reason why they started Apple, offering Apple to a Dreamcatcher, so we both know
Obviously,
which
we
brand
are
is
going to be much more
better.
bigger, yeah.
So basically they were saying ki Apple, the reason they started their Apple in their 20s is because there's nothing to lose. Like this, honestly, if anything fails, what is the worst that can happen? It's not like तुम्हारे घर की roof चली जाएगी. It's not like you have
तुम्हारे
a
बच्चे
family,
हैं, तुम्हारे
yeah,
family है, तुम्हारी
to
EMIs है.
support.
It's nothing
Exactly.
like
The most it can happen is that you'll fail and
that. You lose some money, that's all.
yeah, but what you'll earn is so much more than the money you'll invest.
You know, the experience,
the things that you will
the
learn,
knowledge,
yeah, the
how to
connections that you will
communicate.
make. I think everything that you learn somehow, yeah, sometime in your life comes handy and helpful to you. Like even if, like for example, this is a little very soft and close to my heart thing. तो
Okay.
जब मैं स्कूल में थी है ना,
हाँ.
तो आई थिंक आपके साथ भी होगा, या तो ये हर इंडियन पेरेंट थिंग, आई डोंट
कोई नहीं,
नो,
बोलो तो.
but they put you into so many classes.
हाँ.
This class, this class, this class. तो मेरा रूटीन ऐसा होता था, स्कूल से आने के बाद I used to have lunch without sleeping, without taking rest. जल्दी से कराटे ड्रेस में I used to get into my karate uniform, go to my karate class. वहाँ obviously 1 hour की क्लास होती थी. उसके बाद वहीं से guys, मेरी कराटे यूनिफॉर्म के अंदर मैंने अपनी स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम पहनी होती थी. वहीं से मैं जाती थी अपनी स्विमिंग क्लास.
I mean, you could have changed in a washroom. Why did you wear it beneath that? That's so.
Because that's like the most time effective thing to do. Because for example 5 to 6 अगर ये class है तो 6 to 7 वो class. There was no between time for me. मतलब it was only commute time. यहाँ से वहाँ गए, quickly changed and get into the class. And I had fun. As a child, definitely a lot of fun. So anyways, तो मैंने अपनी swimming costume पहन के मैं swimming class जाती थी. और मैंने ये दोनों चीजें मैंने class 10th तक करी है अच्छे से. I also played states and international for karate and states for swimming. But उसके बाद क्या? कुछ नहीं हुआ. Like some of my friends still continue the sport. I however left it in 11th and 12th, and I'm sure my parents or someone मतलब will be thinking कि करा तो क्यों छोड़ दिया, मतलब you should have continued it, या you know at least do something more. For example, if you do a sport, then अगर आप बहुत ही like बड़े level पे नहीं चले गए तो people think कि फिर कोई इतना फायदा
But
हुआ
I
नहीं.
think फायदा for sports is the physical fitness that you get, the discipline that you get.
Yes, like the lifestyle that you get, that lifestyle of doing this has made me into the person that I am today. Now if I come after class, I'm like, bro, no break, हम editing करेंगे, bro, no break, अब हम reading करेंगे. Not like I also require breaks. ऐसा I'm never gonna romanticize not taking breaks. That's not true. But you just get the lifestyle of hustle. You get that lifestyle of being fit and मतलब working. The
Okay.
hustle work
I think if you
life.
were, because we were just talking about the routines that we had as a kid, I'll also just like to tell what my routine looked like.
I love that.
So
yeah.
what happened was कि I used to wake up at 5, go to swimming class,
Same, मेरी भी swimming class early morning होती
then
थी.
go to school,
Okay.
then come back, have food, go to skating class, and go to taekwondo class, alternating with the tennis class.
What?
So yeah, and
What?
then on Saturdays and Sundays, music class instead of these.
What?
Yep. So I had 4 extra classes as far as I can remember.
In
And
one day?
yeah, camera is gonna be so shaky this ride.
We're on a bridge right
It's
now.
called ITO.
I thought it's called ITO, but okay, it's called ITO.
Exactly. The O has to be higher than the T.
Okay. So we actually, I feel, are super lucky people.
I think it's just a matter of maths. We had 9 devices
No,
logged
honestly,
in.
it's also luck. Luck plays a big role in this, and I'm very grateful for our luck because दोनों बार हमें Coldplay की tickets मिली है. वैसे there were 4 chances. जिसमें से first 2 chances we couldn't get. So if you're a Coldplay fan,
It's okay. We feel you.
Yeah, we feel you. But for me, the biggest Coldplay fan I've ever met is Akshat, because he's the kind of guy who never fan guys on anything, but he does on Coldplay.
Chris Martin!
Yeah.
सिंगर का नाम है.
हाँ मुझे पता है, बट आपने वो क्यों बोला? आपको पूरे बैंड को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए. Even the band members who play instruments are
Yeah,
equally
that's true.
important.
Coldplay!
Right. So what I'm trying to say is कि जब हम दोनों, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम अक्षत से मिली थी तो इसी कार में नहीं, बट in our car rides used to play Coldplay a lot, and then I was like, भाई ये एक ही गाना क्यों, एक ही टाइप के गाने क्यों बचे? Then I saw Coldplay. उससे पहले I knew some songs, But I wasn't like, this is Coldplay and I listen to this and this is so cool. No, but like I used to listen to the songs and I was like, oh, this is a nice song. That's it. But then that's why I feel कि हमारे college life में and in our friendship, Coldplay has played such a big role that I'm so excited to cry there. Are you a crier or are you a listener?
I think for music I'm a listener, but for emotional stuff I'm definitely a crier.
Again, I have always asked this question, but आज camera के सामने, what are the top 3 concerts that you want to go to?
First one is definitely Coldplay. You know, if I go to this concert, I can happily, you know, say I have been attending the concerts that I want. I think one of them would have to be Taylor Swift, because I mean I just want to see her reaction in the concert.
My reaction?
Yeah.
Okay. You actually saw my reaction in the Eras movie.
But it's not the same thing.
Yeah.
Mera's movie and a Coldplay and a Taylor Swift concert are not the same. And other than that, I think I would like probably Billie Eilish would be one. What do you think?
Literally, मुझे copy करना है. Literally.
What?
'Cause
How can I
मेरे-
copy you when you didn't even say what concerts you wanted to see?
Because you know what concerts I want to go. यही 3 concerts मेरे में भी थे, बस priority अलग थी. My first one is Billie Eilish, at
Okay.
least right now.
Okay.
Second is Taylor Swift.
Okay.
And third is Coldplay.
Okay, so I think for me we are going from top to bottom,
Yeah.
and for you we're going from bottom to top.
Yeah, I mean, if I could, and if like अगर सब सही रहा, then I cannot wait to go to Billie Eilish's concert. Like I've been listening to her from class 9th and 10th, and
Before she was famous.
yeah, before she was famous. So that's also like a, I say, sweet spot मतलब उसके लिए. And other than that, it's just I feel like she has always been therapy for me. Like I feel music in general has been therapy for me. There's also one more thing. Her Indian parent thing, I don't
कोई
know.
नहीं. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
पर लोग की अगर मेरे कॉन्सर्ट मतलब मेरे कॉन्सर्ट नहीं, बट जब मैं कॉन्सर्ट जा रही होंगी और इस गाने पे अगर लोग ये कर रहे होंगे ना, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आएगा. क्योंकि मुझे एक्चुअली बिली को सुनना है भाई. मैं इतनी दूर से आई हूँ, मुझे उसको सुनना है, ना कि म्याऊ म्याऊ म्याऊ. माय गॉड, मुझे ना यूट्यूब इवेंट्स खुलासा करना चाहिए. यूट्यूब इवेंट्स एक्सपोज्ड.
Come on, talk about the YouTube.
Okay, yeah, so I recently went to my first YouTube event, and let me tell you everything that goes behind the YouTube events. मतलब not behind honestly, but as a creator, what happened? सबसे पहले तो जब मैं गई,
Okay.
ठीक है,
Yes.
मुझे था कि होटल में जाना है, पर होटल में कहाँ जाना है? Like
Exactly.
I did not know,
Yeah.
so I called them, but वहाँ पे
Okay.
किसी ने मेरा फोन उठाया नहीं. But I was like, ठीक है, let's go there and see. हो सकता है people are busy there.
Okay.
So once I like got off the cab, I saw
Uh-huh.
that there is one more person जो मेरी तरह ही clueless है, and she's also trying to find out.
Okay.
So then as soon as I entered the hotel,
Okay.
दिख गया था, कपड़ों से ही समझ आ गया था कि यहाँ पे कौन इवेंट के लिए आया है. And there was like this big line. I was like, why is there a line in a YouTube creators event? But वहाँ पे एक line थी, they were checking your mails, they were checking कि आपको मेल आया है कि नहीं, मतलब इनविटेशन है कि नहीं, and they were checking your आधार कार्ड या any government ID. After that, when we finally entered, I was so scared because मैं किसी को नहीं जानती थी वहाँ.
Okay.
या मतलब मुझे ऐसा था कि मैं वहाँ किसी को भी नहीं जानती हूँ, तो who will I be with, who will I interact with? Because even though I like to be with people, I think मुझे थोड़ा time लगता है घुलने मिलने में, and if I meet
get
someone
it.
for the first time, I'm very very introvert.
You know, but it's exactly the opposite for me. If I'm meeting someone for the
Yeah.
first time, I can talk to them.
Yeah.
But you know, if I talk to them for at least an hour or two and I don't like them, then I just shut myself off. I'm like, thank you, bye bye.
Yeah, but even if you like them, I think आप थोड़े, you're more of like, if you know someone really well, you'll be थोड़ा less talkative.
I'm less talkative in general. It's okay.
But when you meet someone for the first time, you are very extroverted. That is what I've noticed. But anyways, so
meow meow meow.
so then once I went inside, luckily I
हाँ.
met a creator जिसको मैं already जानती थी.
Whom
And I
did you
was
meet?
like, More to Mihika. मतलब उसका name Mihika है. Channel is
Okay.
called More to Mihika. You can check her out. But yeah, I saw, मतलब you can check her channel out. But yeah, so then I met her, and then I was like, did you meet someone? She was like, yeah, no, actually no. Then we saw the food. The food there, I don't know what was wrong, but it was only fries which were soggy, और cupcakes थे, but
Okay.
मैंने उनके बारे में बहुत बुरा सुन लिया था कि these are super sweet, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा sweet. तो मेरा इतना मीठा का मन नहीं था. So then I was like, skip. I'll just take a video of it because they were very cute.
Okay.
Then we went to like the drink mocktail section. I don't think कोई alcohol था वहाँ. So we got this watermelon drink which was really good. The only
Okay.
good thing I would say.
Yeah.
Then we went inside जहाँ पे ना बहुत सारे brands थे, and it was like you can post a video या photo या follow them and they'll give you a free sample.
Okay.
And मुझे दिखा Laneige. Now I was like, I want Laneige का lip mask वाला lip balm
हाँ, हाँ,
type
हाँ.
stuff. So I
Obviously.
did that,
Okay.
but they did not give me
So
that.
did you like put a story or something?
No, I just followed them. But they said कि yeah, but this is the only sample that we're giving. और वो sample एक face wash का था जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. But still free stuff, so I got it like fine. Then
So
after
did you unfollow them now?
yeah.
Desi mindset.
Then after coming from the event, I was like, unfollow. But yeah, okay. So during the event, it was very insightful and very inspirational because I was like, one day I want to be on that stage. But also a little boring. मतलब boring मैं नहीं बोलूँगी. It was very like the hosts were really good. The hosts were the best. मतलब when it came to entertainment, because दोनों stand-up comedians थे, so they were like very natural at the stage. The rest मतलब जो teams आए थे, YouTube shopping teams and Google teams से, it was nice to hear them listen, but at the same time, after a certain point of time, you get the point. You're like,
Yeah.
fine, okay, we get it. But it was still nice. And they also had some other creators from other, मतलब जैसे tech creators या fashion lifestyle creators on the stage. And
Okay.
it just felt nice to have like someone from our own community, you know, on the stage. So it was really. अब guys, इस channel को इतना बड़ा कर दो कि like we both can go together. Because like if
I think we still could have if you would have registered both of us in
I
the podcast
registered
channel.
both of us. Or this one was not about registration. This was invite only. So they sent an invite to the mail. This was not you have to register. So yeah, that's that, guys. That was YouTube event exposed.
Okay, guys, that was it for this episode, and I hope you liked it. And you can listen to the full episode on Amazon Music, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, and on our Instagram page, which goes by the name of
Two Sides of a Coin _
Podcast.
podcast. We will see you guys in our next
Next
episode.
episode. Cheers.